A2, 4 o'clock crown. I guess 4 o'clock crown official. Wanted to show you unbox the Bulova Precisionist on the rubber strap. So I want to show it to you. It's the OEM rubber strap, the stainless steel model. The bracelet is very nice. I've had it on the bracelet the entire time, but I finally decided to put it on the strap. If I can get this off of here. This is on here. I knew when I put it on it was going to be a toughie to get off. Give me a second. Stand by. Okay, I'm back. And that was incredibly hard to get off. As you can see how it's... So here is the look. Matches the dial perfectly. And let me get this off here. Now, I tried this on a second ago. Let me put this back in here. Tried this on a second ago, and I'm on the last. This is made for a large wrist. I mean, it's just what it is. Here's the bracelet. Really nice bracelet, butterfly clasp. If it wasn't butterfly clasp, I think it'd be a little better, but it still fits real good. I got an interview I think coming up, and I've thought about just wearing this watch with this shirt. I want to see what it looks like, but when I put it on, I'm on the last hole, and so this will fit up to a 9-inch wrist easily with this rubber strap. And I also want to give you a look, the look of it. It doesn't overhang too bad, the strap, as long as I keep the keeper, pull the keeper on out. See there? And there's the look. Looks pretty good. This is a big watch. Like I said, it's a big watch. It's 44.5 or 45 millimeters. And it's made for a big wrist, but it looks good on the OEM strap. It's got that's coming out a little bit. Put that back in there. I couldn't get the band. I couldn't separate the top of the screws, so I just stuck it through back in. So it's in there tight, but it still can move, I guess. I need to work on that, I think. My eyes are so bad. I mean, I got new contacts, but I can't see those heads. I need to get a loop. But this looks good. It's the OEM rubber strap for the Bulova Precisionist. Let me take it off, give you a close-up shot of it. I'm not make this too long, just 4 or 5 minutes, and so you can see what it looks like. But it's an integrated strap. It still has some good flex here. There you go. See how smooth that white second hand is. Unbelievable. Beauty. It's a beauty. Side profile view. Screw down crown. 17.35. I think it's thick. It is thick. The lug to lug is gonna be almost 45. It's gonna be like 47. I've heard it. I've seen it longer than that, but I mean it can't be. It can't be longer than that. I mean look at the lugs. This is a 45 millimeter case, 44.5. So it can't be any more than 47 and a half. This is 22 millimeters. Up here, in between, is 15 millimeters. So it's going to wear like a 22 millimeter strap or bracelet. Get the pushers. This is your pusher for your spring drive smooth second hand. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. The back. Here's the back. You can see the infinity sign for the continuous sweeping second hand. That's all. Thanks for tuning in. I believe I have this strap on right. I don't know why I wouldn't, but I'm gonna have to work on the pins, so that keep it in. There's the infinity sign right there too. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you're new. The channel's growing a little bit. I appreciate that. And like and share. See you soon. Peace.